Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Sanford Khan here, business author and speaker. The title of this YouTube video is The One Simple Secret to Closing More Sales. The One Simple Secret to Closing More Sales. If you get something from this video, just a little morsel of beneficial information, appreciate it if you can hit the like symbol and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Anyways, I get a lot of calls from people trying to sell me their services. I'm a business author, speaker. Most of them, well, all of them actually, are trying to market their services to promote my book I wrote some time ago called A Rogue Meister's Guide to Free Thinking. It's available on Amazon, an ebook and paperback. A little plug there, but I'm not. This video isn't about my book. The reason I'm making the video is just the sheer nonsense of the way they sell. Absolutely sheer nonsense. So it's very simple. I used to be in sales a long time ago, and this is how you have to think. Remember this: whatever you're selling, whether it be a product or service, the client has the trump card. They could just say, "I'm not interested. Stop talking," and that's the end of your sales. That's it. They could shoot you down. So they're in the driver's seat. You're not. So this is how you have to think about it when you're approaching them and you're selling them a product or service. Pretend they have on their forehead this. I'm going to put it on my forehead if I could get it straight. Okay, this will work a little. What's in it for me? See that? What's in it for me? I'm going to leave it there. What's in it for me? Not me, the client. That's how they think. What's in it for them, for the client? What are the benefits of the product or service you're selling them? You sell benefits, not features. You sell benefits. And that's what you sell. The client may not want the benefits, or he may not think that they're necessary. Fine, but that's what you sell. Let's go further than this, because this happened to me. A sales presentation from a lady trying to sell me the services of her company. And she started out trying to ask me questions. And I said, I'm only interested in two things. What are you selling and how it benefits me, and the price? That's it. What are you selling and how it benefits me, and the price? She said, well, I'd like to get to that later. You know what I did? I hung up on her. Click. Hung up on her. You see, when somebody asks you a question, the client asks you a question, you're going through your sales presentation, hopefully selling benefits, what's in it for them. I'm leaving this here. They'll probably ask you a question. Well, how much does it cost? You don't say to the client, well, I'll get to that later, because that's disrespectful of the client. You're disrespecting the client. It's like his concerns don't mean anything. Your sales presentation means everything. That's bull. That's plain BS. Your sales presentation means nothing to your client. He's in charge. So if they ask you, any client asks you a question, in this case, how much it costs, you immediately stop your presentation and give him or her an honest answer to the best of your ability, how much it costs. And then you ask the client in a humble way, do you have any questions about this? And then you say, could I go on with my presentation? If you understand, did I answer your question? Could I go on with my presentation now? And if the client says yes, go ahead, fine. Or the client may say, no, I'm really not that interested. That's fine. You can't make every sale. I was in sales. You can't make every sale. You know, if a baseball player bats 300, 3 out of 10, he is doing pretty good. That's it. You can't make every sale. But if you have the focus of this, what's in it for me, for them, the client, benefits, and you answer the questions and you're humble about it when they ask you questions, and you don't put them off, because that's an insult, you'll increase your odds your odds of making the sale. That's it. That's the whole idea. You won't make every sale, but the whole idea is to think about this. What's in it for me? You sell benefits and you increase your odds and you be respectful of the client and humble. When they ask you a question, you stop your presentation and you answer it. I spoke long enough. Anyways, appreciate it. If you got something from this video, to subscribe to my channel and hit the like symbol. I appreciate it very much. Take care now, folks.